Steps fall easy on the ground, soft music floating all around. Every sound feels made to stay, keeping all the noise away. I don't need a perfect plan, just a song that understands that being calm can still be fun, like smiling at the morning sun. If my thoughts begin to roam, this tune brings me back home. Simple joy, no strings attached, just a day I'm glad I'm at. Today feels a little brighter, every color feels more light. Even worries feel much smaller in this soft and happy sight. Take it slow, enjoy the view, there's nothing else we need to do. Today feels a little brighter, and I like it like that. Nothing loud, nothing strong, just a cute and cheerful song. If you hum it, you'll agree. This calm feels good on me. It's a lovely kind of day. Cool wakes up with a hungry grin, thinking where the honey's been. Sunlight spills on 100-acre trees. Nothing's rushed and that's okay with me. Piglet's footsteps soft and small, Tigger bounces down the hall. Eeyore sighs but stays around. Every friend can still be found. Found, be found. Nothing big, nothing new, but the day feels good all through. It's a very small, wonderful day. You move like velvet.